Today we're doing an Afro curly haircut on texturized hair. I'm showing the haircut and the nappy foam finish. I'm Gigi and I'm the Afro curly hair coach. So today on this, my lovely guest, she's got natural hair. We did a cut on her a couple of months ago and it's grown out, so she wanted to restyle it. We've done a texturizer and I'm just starting to cut the hair into a shape. As you see, I cut slowly, taking it at an angle, especially at the back close to the occipital bone, and just slowly go round and round, balancing it, making sure that there's a particular shape that we want to have. She had given me a picture for reference, or actually explained what she wants. So I don't just go ahead and cut all at once, just because you have to be careful with Afro and curly hair. It can shrink, it can do different things when after you cut and it's wet. So you can see me re-wetting it here just to make sure that I've got all the bits, because a mistake you don't want to make is when your guest goes home and they wash their hair or they sleep and come the next day, it's not what they left with, which it's not going to be the exact same thing, but you want to make sure that whichever way they decide to dry it, that it dries nicely. I'll be adding the products I've used in the link just in case you're interested. But as you see, I still go over wet, cut, foam, over, cut again. And the main thing about this foam is that to make it really work most of the time, if you add something that's just got a little bit of hold, that would be really good. So after that, I've gone out to just define the edges a bit, make it more crisp. Over the hair again with the scissors, making sure anything sticking out just goes in, not too much. Over with a diffuser, I put a bit of innocence oil on it so that it's not crispy. We diffuse again, and I think that's it. Okay, I did do a bit of a holding gel at the edges just to sleek that down, and this is our result. I've not dried fully because I don't usually want to make it fully dry so that it's not crunchy and it can just air dry naturally, so that it's not overly dry, the hair remains moisturized. So that's it for our curly cut, Afro curly cut today. It was just a simple one just to show you how I do this sometimes and how I finish, and how you can use the foam to just give you this very beautiful textured look. Thank you so much for watching and see you later. Bye.